The Global Experience Program offered by NUS College at the National University of Singapore is an interdisciplinary experiential program designed for first to third year undergraduates from NUS College and other NUS residential colleges.
Well, the GEX was created in order to address two commonly observed challenges in higher education. The first being the idea that leadership is decision making from a position of power and knowledge. And the second issue is that the conception of universities just being sites where one acquires knowledge and skills rather than core values. The GEX redefines leadership as service, and as such, it integrates knowledge acquisition with the development of ethical values such as empathy, integrity, humility, and respect.
Unlike traditional classroom-based courses or internships focused mainly on technical skills, GEX emphasizes experiential engagement. Students participate in activities commissioned by community partners. For example, learning about environmental resilience or heritage transmission through hands-on projects with Indigenous leaders or cultural practitioners. Weekly reflection assignments and independent research projects help students connect their field experiences with academic learning, fostering empathy and respect for different perspectives. GEX continues to expand, with plans to offer courses in additional locations and reach more students each year, contributing to the development of responsible, globally minded leaders.